Good day. Welcome to MathPro by Bloom Education. All right, we are going to tackle compound inequalities. Okay, in the previous video, we just did inequalities and we have just one side. It's like 2x minus 4 less than 8, something like that. That's what we did. Now we have inequality on the left side and one on the right side. Okay, still going to follow the same rules of algebra. Okay, so first of all is, see this negative 8 is you remove it by adding 8 to both sides of the inequality. So 10 plus 8 is 18 and negative 2 plus 8 is positive 6. Okay, watch your integers. Okay, addition and subtraction of your integers. If you have problem, if you make a mistake there, you're going to get the question wrong. So if you have problem with your addition and subtraction of integers, please go back and master it. Okay, after that, what do we do? Okay, if you had just one side, what do? You solve your x by dividing 3. Okay, so you divide all sides by 3, and now we have x is less than or equal to 6. Okay, this is 6, and then that's 2, or x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, remember we write the upper boundary. We call this the upper boundary. Okay, the bigger number here on the right, and we write the lower boundary on the left. How do we shade this on a number line? Okay, we have all numbers as x is greater than 2, so greater than or equal to, so this is 2, and then we blot it, and all numbers greater than 2 are all numbers to the right. And then we come here, x is less than or equal to 6, this is 6, and then we blot it, and it's all numbers to the left. This is your solution set. X greater than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 6. You're done. What about this one right here? Okay. All right. You want to challenge yourself, pause the video and try this first. Pause it, try it. Okay. Let's go. How do we solve this? Okay. Same rules of algebra. You add 6. Since it's negative, you add 6 to both sides. Okay. It will be 0 plus 6 is 6, and negative 5 plus 6 is positive 1. Don't make a mistake. And finally, this is negative n. Remember, negative n is negative 1n, but we don't write a 1, just like x is equal to 1x, but we don't write 1x, okay? And so what do? We are interested in solving for n, so we divide by negative 1, okay? When we divide by negative 1, okay, we also divide 6 by negative 1 and also positive 1 divided by negative 1. And what did we say in the previous video? When we divide by a negative number, the inequality sign reverses. So here, when we divide by negative 1, we have n, and this sign here less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to negative 6. Since 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6, okay, right? So negative n divided by negative 1 is n, and 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6, and we reverse the sign. It becomes greater than or equal to instead of less than or equal to. The same thing over here. 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1, and we reverse the sign, okay? Replay the video and listen to it over and over again. Okay, we divide by a negative number, we reverse the sign. So this is your solution. This is your solution, but the proper way of writing this is, like I said in the beginning, the bigger number is, so you write your n. The bigger number is, this is the left side, that's the right side. The bigger number is written on the right, or the, sorry, what am I doing? Left and right. The bigger number, left. The bigger number, which is the upper boundary, is written on the right side. Negative 1 is bigger than negative 6. Remember that, right? So we want to write this part here first. N less than, okay? Be careful when you're just lifting it. We are writing n less than or equal to negative 1. You write that first, and then you lift that side, and then we put on that this is greater than or equal to negative 6. These two are the same, but this is the proper way of writing it. That's your answer. Okay, try it. Pause the video, review it, try it right here. Okay, and then come back and check the solution. This is the solution, right? That's the solution right there. And that's additional exercises for you. All right. Keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. See you in the next class. All right. Apply yourself very well, and all things being equal, you shall bloom. Bye-bye.